번을 보이는 패스라.
Hello everyone, this is Belinda from Luoyang Yujie Industry. Welcome to our online live show. Today I will introduce our girth gear and our powerist drum to all of you. Now I'm in our workshop. Beside me is the powerist drum. This powerist drum, the diameter is 1,300 millimeter, and the length of this drum is 1,500 millimeter. And this drum, this time we have done 3 sets, and these 3 sets including many spare parts. These two only some of them, and also some drums on our CNC gantry milling machine milling. We can have a look. Okay, we can from here have a look. We can see this drum. This drum, the diameter of this drum is 1,300 millimeter, and the length of this drum is 2,100 millimeter. We can see this drum, the groove is milling on our CNC gantry milling machine with the 4th axis. And about this drum's technical process, first the drum material is adopted Q345 carbon steel, and the drum and the flange all adopted the welding technical process. After the welding, they will be milling the grooves, and after the grooves milling, it also needs to drilling the holes on the flange. And after drilling the holes, there are also many small spare parts will be assembled together. This is only the one large spare part. Also, there are 6 types of small parts, such as bearing frame, also the bearing seat, and the connector plate. We can see from here. This is the connector plate, and this is another hoist drum finished processing. And these are the, and we can see these are the bearing frame. This bearing frame also adopted the carbon steel plate. All of these are the spare parts, and they will be assembled together later. And this thrust, this hoist drum we used on the hoist equipment. And now it's machining. We can have a look. We can see it's milling the grooves. This drum is easily processing on our CNC gantry milling machine with the 4th axis. Okay, this is one of our spare parts parts we are doing. And we can see beside me, this is our another type spare part. This is the herringbone gear. This herringbone gear, the diameter is 3,774 and the height is 670. This herringbone gear, the modulus is 28. We can now the herringbone gear is newly loose. We can from here have a look. Okay, we can see from here our CNC milling CNC floor type burning milling tool. And we can see our herringbone gear put on our rotary table. This is the large rotary table, and the herringbone gear put on our rotary table and milling the tools one time at first at one time plan. The milling all the The modulus of this gear is 28. This gear also the small herringbone gear. They are used on the clutch. This is one kind of large clutch herringbone gear. For gear, make technique test. First, the cast material, and sometimes also adopted the folding for the structure, and also the if the diameter is we can adopt the folding material. For the large gear, we always take the casting material, the rough machine, and after the rough machine, they will be used to there is no defect, and then we will take treatment after the library. Will milling the tool for the large modulus. We always adopt first the drawing and then finish. After if requirement the surface and the gear will be to the to improve the tooth surface. And this kind of herringbone is one of our advantage because herringbone type or CNC gantry, especially the hair without the leaf groove. This leaf groove, we can if this relief is small or without relief groove, be done on our floor type by milling the tools. Because without the relief groove, it's difficult to hobbing the by hobbing machine. So herringbone gear without relief groove is of our advantage. So we can see the modulus and diameter. Also, our for the diameter, for the modulus, we can 50. Large mode takes more times hopping on the hopping machine on our milling machine. It will save the time. Also, precision will be higher. Is the forging of they will do the rough machining, and these are there. This gear the surface to the carbon to improve the ease and the of the of the airing cover. The spare part the and it matched with the gear just now. The surface of this gear is carburizing. The herringbone gear is the main is the this is the shaft. This gear shaft, the gear and the shaft connect by the 2,500. And this first you can see from the reference. And later cleaning and packaging and to our customer. This bearing thing still haven't finished. And how the drum diameter is 300 millimeters, 1,000 meter. We can see this machining is some spare parts requirement contact with their 3W dot final processing straight every sure it